We will now be checking out the WeFeelFine.org website. This is a great Web 2.0 application that draws together a large number of feeds from blogs, journals, and Twitter. Every time someone uses the word feel in a line of text, the sentence and the context is recorded. The website then throws up a colorful interface to explore the feelings of different people around the world. Each dot represents a particular sentence used by someone posting on the web with the word feel in it. The color of the dot represents the mood of the feeling. Some feelings have images attached which show up as small squares in the field of feelings. Click on a square and the image shows up along with the feeling. The Murmurs menu displays a live feed of incoming feelings from around the world. This is a bit like Twitter, only much better because it is actually in real time and the posters don't know that they are being heard. WeFeelFine allows you to sort the incoming feelings using particular feelings, age, gender, weather, country, year, the number of feelings and date. You can use one or more of these parameters and the field refreshes. You can also use the montage menu for looking at the field of all images associated with feelings. The initial color of the field is an indicator of the mood. Metrics throws up a diverse number of statistics that are based on a record of all the feelings. There are many ways to look at the metrics too. Click on any dot to view the information associated with it. Sometimes there is just too much information. The weather view lets you look at feelings at different conditions. Age, date, gender and other demographic sorting is available for the metric view as well. The amount view is a visual representation of the amount of a certain kind of feeling from around the world. The biggest amount is for better, which means that the most felt feeling around the world is better. But you can scroll into the smaller mounts and peek at what other people have to say as well. You can play with the mounts or click on the name to view a universe of that particular feeling.
Ruchi Infotech is an unauthorized service center for laptops, desktops, printers, and other computer components. When it comes to laptop repairs, they handle more than 30% of all damaged laptops in Mumbai. The considerable advantage over authorized service centers for laptops is that here the laptops get fixed for a far less amount and they carry out some repairs that companies don't even undertake at all. A database program is used to track jobs on hand. When a customer walks in with a laptop that is damaged, it is invoiced along with all the other accessories and the customer's problem is noted down. The laptop is tagged and passed on to the repairs department. As soon as the laptop comes in, the problem is diagnosed and a quote is given to the customer. The diagnosis is free of charge and the quote is delivered either by SMS or email depending on the preference of the customer. As soon as the customer accepts the quote, work begins on the laptop. Each engineer on the team has a specialty and works mostly on a narrow range of jobs. On this desk, the laptop is pulled apart and the damaged components are identified. Once this is done, the component is passed on to the technician in charge of that particular kind of repair. On this desk, we see a damaged keyboard being repaired. The springs are put in and the key placed. Moving on to slightly more advanced stuff, here a soldering iron is used to remove and replace individual components on the motherboard. Over here, a heated air solder is used to repair motherboards. All these tools over here are used for machining hinges for different laptops. Brass metal sheets are cut, ground, and polished for use as hinges. This is one example of a job not undertaken by companies. This is one of the most advanced machines for repairing laptop motherboards around, and there are very few of these in the country. The machines are meant specifically for working with damaged ICs on the motherboard. The machine needs to heat up before the ICs can be removed and replaced. Once the repair jobs are done, which is usually within one working day after the quote has been approved by the customer, the laptop is tagged, marked as OK and made ready for return. When stored, all laptops have a foam padding between the lid and the keyboard. All removed components are marked, making sure that nothing is misplaced and each job carefully tracked. These are some of the measures that are required for the ISO certification. If you have a problematic laptop and are tired of running behind authorized service centers, this is a cheaper option.